So I wanted to show you a little bit today about the handheld hot cut knife kit that you can purchase from Carolina Knife. It includes the knife itself, as well as basic instructions, 8-foot long cord. This is the blade, a wire brush for cleaning, and it also comes with the case. Operation for this knife is just a simple trigger up front. When you press the trigger in, a green light will come on to indicate that power is going to the blade. And this blade will get very hot, as you can see. It can cut all kinds of different materials. This knife can cut through foam. It can cut through woven fabrics like this. As it cuts through this woven fabric, it will also seal the edge to keep it from being frayed. You'll find the same effect if you were to try to cut a piece of rope with this. It will actually cut it and seal it, as opposed to, say, using a pair of scissors or any kind of other blade where you're going to get a frayed edge. This is with the scissors, this is with the hot cut knife. When you're finished, it's got a hook on the end for easy storage. You can just hang on the wall. So for more information about this kit, please visit carolinaknife.com.